Choose portable cauldron rig. Drillmaster teach you 5 easy steps. First, know your terrain. Hard rock, choose a full hydraulic rig. Soft soil, a portable mini rig is your best bet. Second, check the specifications. Match your needs with the right drilling depth, RPM, and the torque for maximum efficiency. Third, prioritize portability. Choose a lightweight, easy-to-transport rig that won't slow you down. Fourth, demand durability. Opt for premium materials, easy part replacements, and low maintenance costs. Fifth, choose a trusted brand. Go with a manufacturer that offers strong warranties and reliable after-sales support because delays cost money. Need a portable cauldron rig? Contact me at any time. Let's get your best solution.